Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play LEGO Dimensions on RPCS3. First, download the most recent RPCS3 emulator from its official website. Next, you will need to obtain the PlayStation 3 firmware file. This is crucial for the emulator to function correctly. Finally, ensure your computer's specifications, like its processor and graphics card, meet the recommended requirements for smooth gameplay. Once RPCS3 is set up, you will need to acquire the LEGO Dimensions game itself, either from a physical disc or a digital backup. Install this game data directly into the emulator. After installation, navigate to the RPCS3 configuration menu. Here, you can fine-tune various settings, including graphics and audio, to achieve the best possible performance and visual quality for your gameplay experience. Now, let's connect your LEGO Dimensions toy pad. Plug it into your computer's USB port. You might need to install specific drivers to ensure it is recognized properly. Next, open the RPCS3 controller settings and map your chosen gamepad, whether it is a PlayStation or Xbox controller, to the emulator. Finally, perform a quick test to confirm both your toy pad and controller are working perfectly. If you encounter any issues, the RPCS3 Wiki is an excellent resource for troubleshooting common problems. Always ensure your graphics drivers are up to date, as this significantly impacts performance. Do not hesitate to experiment with various RPCS3 settings. Sometimes a small tweak makes a big difference. With these steps, you are now ready to enjoy countless hours of LEGO Dimensions on your computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.